are going back to school, right? Are they going to have to wear shorts today, Alex?
That's a really good question. I know. You know what? It's been so hot over the past few days, but you know what? It really depends on where you are. It's all about the microclimates here across Southern California, because if you are along the coast, well, it's been really nice the past few days, but yeah, our inland spots, that is where we have been feeling the heat. So we are just approaching sunrise here on this Monday morning. Van Nuys, good morning to you. We're seeing a mostly clear sky, temperatures in the upper 60s, visibility looking great. If you are getting ready to hop in the car, winds out of the east at around 6 miles an hour. So we still have an excessive heat warning. One more, that is for the Antelope Valley. That is with us until 9 o'clock this evening. So temperatures will continue to be in the triple digits today, but we do have a cool down headed our way. So that is the good news if you are not a fan of the heat. Now, one thing that we are watching, we do have an increase in monsoonal moisture. What that means is we'll have some instability in the atmosphere, and we do have thunderstorms in the forecast for the mountain and desert communities. That's going to be this afternoon, tomorrow, and we will keep that in the forecast through Wednesday. So rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour, that's possible. And what that means is we could see some flash flooding in those areas that are highlighted in that green. So let's head out toward the Gulf Coast. This is where we are watching Tropical Storm Ida, what was once Hurricane Ida, and currently we are seeing Ida just in the northern portion of Louisiana, moving into Mississippi, as well as Florida and Alabama. This storm is going to continue to track northeastward. We're still talking about impacts with this storm. So rainfall, heavy rainfall, flooding is of concern, as well as very strong winds. And a lot of the times when we talk about these hurricanes, we talk about something called storm surge. So what is that? Well, it's a rise in seawater level that's caused solely by the storm, and the surge is caused by the storm's winds pushing that water onshore. And again, a lot of the times we talk about flash flooding being a concern, winds, and of course it is, but storm surge is the greatest threat to life when we talk about storms like this. So just something to know when we talk about these massive hurricanes. So closer to home, here's a look at the 7-day forecast, the beaches, the basin, and the valleys. We have temperatures in the lower 70s at the coast this afternoon, lower 80s in LA and Orange County Metro. 97 is your high in the warmest valley spots, 98 in the Inland Empire, triple digits for the high desert. We are keeping thunderstorms in the forecast this afternoon, tomorrow, and Wednesday. That's for the mountain and desert communities. That flash flood watch goes into place tomorrow. Will be with us through tomorrow evening. And the big weather story, well, temperatures cooling off as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, and then slowly warming back up by the weekend.